Jamaica, Jaja, people well forward. You don't know the thing go. You don't know the thing set already. Bless up on yourself. Smash that like there. And if you're brand new, subscribe. You don't know we need to grow that channel that brand new. Big up on yourself. Right now, people, artists either get boss like Milan. Wagwan! Yo! Me never know see this a go on in a dance hall. They must say, yo, 10 tick just do a song and see a sewing boss boy head. Melon. Poppy replied, hit the charts again. Boop, 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 boop. Unruly squad outside. And say, yo, where them a talk about? You know, see a Melon build up his stamina. Girl, them have to get this something. Bad, bad, bad. So, right now, people, the thing I get interesting, cause here we go on now, people. Something will go on where people start talk about watermelon and people picnic. And me I tell you say, from Shorty make the shirt with the watermelon and go put the dan on it, all hell break loose, people. Welcome. This is Soul Jamaica, and over here, so we Soul Jamaica, we bring you drama. So, it's safe to say, it's not allegedly no more. 10 tick brawlingly stepped out, said 5 o'clock. Somebody head gonna be open like a watermelon, man. We can't make this up, Jamaica. You hit the subscribe, share the content. We turn up. So, this is the thing. Will 10 tick be able to keep up with Popcaan in a lyrical feud? Drop that in the comment section. And right now, the biggest event, the best event, we're keeping a dancehall for the longest time and everybody still a chat about it. New rules, new rules, new rules. New rules in a dancehall. So now, people, the thing is, let's see which artists win this. What you the one call this? Melon War. The two artists them have sung right now about melon. And a shirt out about melon. Right now, melon a sell off. Right now, me know say melon a go sell off. After Papi drop this a song, melon sell off everywhere. Big up St. Elizabeth people them, we're not gonna make a money. And supermarket them, local vendor them, yeah, all on the melon gone today. Yeah man. So big up to the melon farmer them. And yeah. So people, make sure it's on the smash it like. So until somebody bought us Soul Jamaica and we Soul Jamaica, cause me I tell you say right now you should have can see the big flag in the studio. We Jamaica over here, so brother. I don't hear with it. Yo, so forward. Popcaan was spotted in the studio doing the dagger with an imaginary princess while he was previewing the smash single we are mash up the world. Melon. Watermelon. So that's why the vendor them are gonna make money, cause since 10 tick mash up the watermelon, saying it's a skull, Papi say, t-shirt make, man I care feelings. Put one on the chart. Put one on the chart. And the unruly boss step up in the studio and a piercing thing go on. And now the song viral. And we shall move on to the next subject. Now people, a thing go on. Massacre perform on a show. And someone, I don't know, but rumors are a person grab him a certain way, grab his leg, something, and it's making this big thing in the news. I don't know. I gotta really do my research on that one right there, but somehow, some way, he kept it professional. He didn't violate anyone. So big up on that, because you don't want to see the artists them a go through no more and can't do no shows and people are demonstrate, say them a bring hate and none of that. So with that says, wish everybody the best. Big up yourself, Massacre. You see it? So that was that. Because a lot of people, like, them would have rather Massacre just wild out. And then you'd have hear say, why man, they have it in the monster and give it to brother. Just like that. You see it? So big up yourself. Stay focused. Yeah, man. Now, just when time you think it never gonna get no worse than this, brace yourself with that one, yeah. Buckle up your seatbelt. Now, this is what you call jungle justice. You don't know the thing set. Look, man, go up and works, brother. Me I tell you, say it never turn out right. Da.
Tell everything if you dead out. You think a little thing gonna go on with boy? You think a little thing gonna go on with boy? Eh? A long time with that. Chipping items, you can say chipping items. So, where you drive from? Where Kingfish there? I'm Kingfish. I'm flapping Kingfish.
Jano, people, it's not normal. You have to call this one something else. May I tell you, say still, I'm ready, you're lucky still. You see it? And this, for sure, some youth say, you know, always turn out in your way. Learn from them youth a mistake. Now, people, Flipper Mafia, run on the stage with father. And that also as well never turn out right. Now, people are saying, boy, father this mafia, right? But you have to understand, say, it's never always that the case where a man diss a man. You understand? So, with what said, this or no, it's like father perform. And you know Yardman style. Them love grab the talker phone and just run up unexpectedly while you perform, interrupt your performance, right? And he never work out because the artist never prepare for see him on the stage. He never plan to share the stage with the artist. So while people are jump out and I say, yo, this father this him. We don't see which part father this him this because you can't even see in the video clearly when him heal him. Like he must say, Flipper, wow, go on, Meji. Something like that. And Flipper clear it up, you know what I'm saying, and said him and the God good, and them even speak on the phone. So that was necessary for dancehall because people spread news more than how them subscribe. We don't need to subscribe. We could build a channel. People, as we talk about building this channel, right? We need to see one of them plot up on the wall. We're not going to stop till we get it up there. As we said, we saw Jamaica, and as we say, out of many one people, make we build a channel. Too much are we out there. Make we build a channel. Support we want. You see it? Yeah, man. And big up on yourself. Remember, say health first. You see it? And this is the thing I want us. It was an embarrassment. You see, people start bash all watermelon. I'm not gonna lie to you. See? Because you mean to tell me say now, you can't even have a regular conversation with them at youth nowadays, you know, brother. Right? Everything. Burn up. If you say, brother, Bill, mine spit for me. You see it? So new generation we are go forward. If you don't think say you did brainwash before, you not go brainwash the youth them. Now I look at youth that go grow up and now even buy a melon. Can you imagine that? You can't send a youth go buy a pineapple and say, yo, we go consume some pineapple, because the first thing him start think and tell you some weird things. You understand me? Stop mix sexual stuff with food that God create. You understand me? Some people need to find them place and self-bridging. You know, disgusting. Nah lie to you. Because when you're not turning yourself in some, I don't even want to say it, but you know what I talk about. You not brainwash on yourself. Because we all know wrong from right. You understand? So, I just say something there. And the youth them need to build, brother. You see me? Yeah, man. Try to hold a sensible conversation one day out of a month. And stop and spit up on each other like, how are you going, sir? How am to you? You're not sure of yourself or something. To me, no. When me see a man behave like that, you know me say to myself, this person not quite sure of himself, So I have to put on a facade to make it look like something. Because you're sure of yourself, you don't need fear and a bun up and brother live your life. See me? Yeah, man. Turn yourself in a robot. Then I go say, quickest thing, oh Babylon, this and Babylon. I don't own Babylon. Somehow I don't own Babylon. When I fight on own self. And then I give yourself a chance to breathe. You understand? You offers. Yeah, man. Because you can imagine this, the people them were farming, brother. See, if you keep the island going and the world and the countries, you see me? Farmers, right? Sit down and listen to some ignorant people. I go just get up and all of a sudden, because somebody just come up with some little freaky thoughts and idea, this fruit become taboo. And you should never consume this fruit, because once you consume this fruit, it crashes your yam. Find on yourself. You understand? Straight. It's simple as that. We don't have too much to prove and nothing for sure, because we're not going to try to prove when none of their own people. Everybody go up on the internet and prove this, prove that, and not show no evidence. You understand? So, people, do on yourself. I could care less what the next guy I do. Over here, so I do my thing, and I try to feed my picnic them. You see it? Yeah, that's a life should have there right now. Me not even business. Bridging, let me tell you right now. Go buy 50 watermelon and see how I go black about it tomorrow. I don't care. Big up the farmer them, because when you're not going like on a full food, the farmer them sit down and say, Jesus have mercy, school just open and the boy them are stop our business. How we are going to survive, how we are going to send the picnic them to school, and we have this big crop of melon we just plant and nobody don't want it to buy. Because of hype. Part few forwarding. Walk safe.